So this is the second time I record this, and today we are going to make this. Play the intro. Let's check the drum loops. Okay, not bad. I like this, the snap. So what I'm going to do is bring this loop here. First we need to align it. So let's stretch it so that it fits the 2 bar marks. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is basically edit this loop so that we can, for instance, I didn't like this. Let's listen to it. So what I can do is basically, so let's see, we have, oops, let's take the stretch out, and we have this, we have the clap and the snare and the kick. Okay, I like that. Let's now go for some drum hits. Let's find a hi-hat. I like this hi-hat. Let me see more. This one is also nice. Let's open this one and the one that I liked. I think it was this one. I also like this. Okay, let's start making something here. Okay, let's open this up. And let me see. Okay, so let me put one here, and let's put this village 4 steps and move this like that. To move, you just click on Control Shift and with the left and right arrows, and you move this easily. Okay, let's see now what do we have here. Let me put this one like this. Okay, let's add a little bit of bounce, of swing here. And we can maybe shift some things up here. Let's see if this sounds nice. Okay, so let's put on every end of each bar here. Like that. Okay, let's now maybe add some stuff here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I like this. At the same time of the third hi-hat. Okay, like that. It gives a little bit of rhythm to the first snare or clap. So now let's find some bass loops. Let's see what we have here. With the same pitch as we first corrected, and now I can just but doesn't work that well. Okay, so maybe let's put it here. I like that. Okay, so now we need to find something else. Let's go music loops. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, the last one is quite... Okay, so let's see if we can flip this and put this on in the pump and have a different kind of effect. Yes, that's what I'm looking for. This type of whoosh of white noise sound. We can even add here some reverb. Maybe this one. Okay, but let's remove the effects. I like that, but I prefer to have my own effects or have control over the effects. Let's send this to the pump and see. Okay, so maybe not. Let's send this to the mix and let's try to find something here that I like. Okay, I like that. See if we can find something here that can give some more, I don't know, some liveness to the track. Let's see. Let's go with piano. Let's go with cellos. I don't usually use cellos. Let's try out this one here. So this one. And let's start messing here with the samples. I like that. Let's actually let's record that. So this is what I'm playing. Okay, let's verify it like that. So now let me add here a new, let's use Vitamin Stereo to bring up a little bit of the high frequencies. And we can even open up this in the stereo field. Let's put this in the pump. Oh, not in the bass, in the pump. Okay, I like that. So these are the strings. Maybe I can even add, let's go with trash. And let's go with the convolver. Let's see if we have here some stuff. Let's see, edge. I like that. Which one did I like? I like this one. Yes. Let's add a little bit of reverb. see. Now let's keep it in the pump. We can even add a little bit more gain, more volume. Okay, I think it's a nice loop. It's enough to have a full track. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you learned something, just give me a like in the video. Also, if you are new here to this channel, subscribe and activate notifications so that you know when I upload new videos. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Also, consider supporting my channel by buying one of my products at DailyBeatsVI or become a premium or exclusive member, and you will have access to the full video where I show you everything from start to finish, and you will have access to all the video without cuts, because I want to make the video shorter for YouTube to be easily digested. So yeah, I will have the links in the description. My name is Tiago Duarte. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.